Hello everyone, it's Joshua here today with another video course titled What are altcoins? Check this out. Altcoins explained. In today's video course, you will learn what are altcoins. Altcoin is used to describe any cryptocurrency that is not Bitcoin, an alternative digital currency. As Bitcoin was the original cryptocurrency, any cryptocurrency that was created after was treated as an alternative. So, altcoin, as Bitcoin is the first cryptocurrency that captured the world's imagination, all other coins were subsequently termed altcoins, as in alternative coins. What are altcoins? The term altcoin refers to any cryptocurrency that isn't called Bitcoin or Ethereum. Altcoin generally brand themselves as some improved alternative to Bitcoin, and they vary widely in terms of features and functions. Okay, on the right hand side of your screen, the image you see there are different altcoins that are not Bitcoin or Ethereum. In my previous crypto video course, I have talked about what is Bitcoin and what is Ethereum. Okay, so what you're seeing here are altcoins like Dash, Litecoin, Monero, XRP, Ripple, Zcash. There are so many altcoins there. Okay, now since they are not Bitcoin or Ethereum, they are regarded as altcoins. So take note, guys. There are a lot to talk about different types of altcoins. However, in the course of learning and in our future video course, we will discuss more on altcoins. Okay? Take note, guys. In our next video course, we will learn about what exactly are stable coins in the cryptocurrency space and much more. So there are not only altcoins, there are also what is called stable coins. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you enjoy this video course, you know what to do, right? Please subscribe, like, and share this video course. Share it on social media, share it with your friends, share it with anyone who wants to learn how to trade cryptocurrency for themselves and by themselves. Subscribe, hit the subscribe button below, and don't forget to turn on the post notification bell. That is the bell icon by the subscribe button. When you do so, each time I upload a new crypto video course, you will be the first to be notified. Okay, please don't miss out. Subscribe, like, and share this video. Once again, thanks for watching this video course to the end. Please don't forget to hit the bell icon by the notification. My name is Joshua. You can contact me or join my Telegram channel directly. For more crypto video courses and lessons, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, subscribe to our Telegram channel. That's my Telegram channel link, and that's my Facebook link, as well as my Twitter handle. One of the reasons why you should join our Telegram channel is free. It's also a platform where you get to learn about how to trade, because you're going to see me trade Monday to Friday, how I enter the market, how I exit the market, how I make profit from the market, or how I make losses from the market. You can copy my trade signals from the Telegram channel, and also you can also see my video courses, my previous video courses and my future video courses will all be dropped on the Telegram channel each time I release a new video. So there are many benefits for you to enjoy or get once you join the Telegram channel. Once again, my name is Joshua. Thanks very much for watching this video. One love, peace out. See you in my next video. Bye bye. Investment is a security for the future. Visit www.bpclass.net and be taught how to invest wisely on the internet and make profit. Follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. Also, subscribe to our YouTube channel.